Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. We're doing a 2 looks 2 palettes today. I'm going to be playing with the two new Nomad Cosmetics California Surf Shack palettes. They are based off 2 locations. This is our Malibu quad right here, super grungy swampy green, and this is our Encinitas quad. Little bit more pops of color, some neutrals. I think both of these are freaking adorable. The packaging is so cute. I love that the surfboards feel like a surfboard, like they feel kind of woody. It's really cool. It's a nice little touch there. I got sent these in PR, so Nomad Cosmetics, thank you so much for sending these to me. I'm really grateful that I got the chance to play with them for you guys. They also gave me a discount code. It's ButeBean10, I believe. It'll be down in the description box if I'm misspeaking, but it saves you money. I think it's 10%. That's why it would be ButeBean10. I don't make commission, but it does help you out. So in case you're interested on anything on their site, there's a code for you. I had fun playing with these. This look that you see right here was a challenge. I will get into why when it gets to that look, but I did have fun with these regardless. I don't have anything else left to say right now. Let's just get into the looks and we will chat some more about these palettes at the end. Hello, how's it going? Look number 1 of 2 coming at you. I'm gonna prime my eye with my Smashbox lid primer in light, as usual. What are you guys up to? I'm pre-filming a little bit. I don't know what day this is going up specifically, but it's February 10th now. It's my wedding week. I'm gonna be a married lady by the time you're seeing this. That's crazy. I'm in a really good mood. It's Monday. I'm just filming, gonna go to work for, it's a shorter day today. It's like 5 hours, I think, but tomorrow's like a 10-hour day, so I'm cool with that. And then I'm off for the rest of the week to do wedding prep. And I'm just feeling like I'm in a really good mood, so that's very nice. We're gonna play with the Encinitas quad today. I'm just really feeling the brown, blue, pink vibe. So that is what we're gonna do. By the way, I was curious and got the Dunkin' Pink Velvet drink. It's okay. Like, it's nothing that revolutionary, but I'm also not a huge Dunkin' coffee person, so I don't know what I was expecting. I'm taking Chill First, the darker brown, with my Spectrum B04 brush. And I just want this to be in my outer corner. And I'll buff it through the crease a little bit, but I mostly just want it in the outer corner. I really like these little quads. They're cute. You guys seemed pretty excited about my little first impressions with them. I heard they sold out already, which is cool for the brand, but I know some of you wanted to get your hands on them. I'm pretty sure they're not limited edition. I'm 99% sure that they're not. So they should be coming back, but honestly, just stay on top of their Instagram. I'm sure they will post updates. I'm gonna tuck this under my lower lash line as well. Actually want to bring that a little bit higher in my inner part of my crease. I really like it to kind of go up towards my brow. Cute, cute, cute. I'm going to take this dual-ended Anastasia brush and I'm going to take Hang, that shade right there. And I'm just going to use that to help buff this edge out so it's nice and soft. Like, I don't really have much to talk about right now. I just want to kind of gush. I'm just super giddy. I'm excited. What have I done today? I went to the gym. We woke up early for the gym today. Did that. Showered and got mostly ready, and here I am. Gonna work, come home, edit, pick Zane up. I think we're gonna do pedicures tonight because I really wanted to just get like fancy, like hot stone pedicures, like the ones that are always more expensive but you never want to pay the extra for. Zane and I want to do that this week because it's our wedding. We can do it for a treat. I'm not even wearing like open-toed shoes for my wedding. I'm literally wearing sparkly rose gold Doc Martens, but a pedicure is still nice. And I want to do it more often, more self-care. I'm on my feet all day long. My back and legs and feet get super sore, so it's really something I should do more often to take care of myself. All right, so that is kind of where we're at with that. Just nice blown out crease area. I'm going to take this Alter Ego number 4 brush and I'm going to take Carve, that pink, and I just want this to go across the lid. To be nice and open and pink and just flow into the browns. Just use that little blending brush to make sure the edges are flowing together. Something like that. Nothing too wild. I'm gonna flip the Anastasia brush over and take Chase on the flat side of the brush. And I really want to pop this under the lower lash line. I probably could have avoided putting brown down here at all, but what's done is done. I'm just going to kind of go over it. I'm just going to flip it over and help smudge that out. I know this look isn't super like revolutionary and intricate, but with quads, I don't know, if they're done right, they're done with the intention of kind of like making a look easy for you to do. They're supposed to be cohesive. They're supposed to, I don't know, make it easy for you. Just do the look they kind of have envisioned for you. And this is what I picture they had envisioned for me with this particular palette. Obviously, you could do more things. You could play with just the browns. You could play with just the blue and pink. You could play with just the blue. You can totally pair it with other things. But when using all 4 shades together, this is kind of what I envision. My friend Monica really wants me to play with my Cleona duochromes with this palette. Or with these quads, I should say. So I think I'm going to pop one of the blue ones under my lower lash line. I think I'm going to use this one. This one is called Wormwood. Super, super pretty. So I'm going to use just that same Anastasia dual-ended brush, that same flat side. And I'm just going to plop it in the front little portion. Obviously, putting it down here, it only shows the duochrome off so much. But this is kind of the vibe I want. I wanted more light and neutral on the lid and more colorful in the lower lash. And I'm kind of just loading this shade up. Oh, that's so lovely. Love shimmered on the lower lash line so much. I'll never get over it. And for my inner corner, I'm going to take my Lethal Cosmetics Ionic highlight. That's what I used on my face today, so I'm just going to use that for the inner corner as well. Just kind of plop it in there for a little shine. And now I want winged liners today. I don't know why. I'm gonna try this Colourpop BFF liner in, what are you called? Numero Uno. It's just black. I'm gonna try to do a winged liner with it. I've never used this to do liner yet, so that'll be a first. I'm gonna do it off camera because it's really hard for me to do winged liner on camera. If you're interested in how I do it, I did show myself doing it in my 3 looks with the Colourpop All That palette a week before this video goes up. So check for there if you want to watch me do liner, but I'm doing it off camera today. It's nothing revolutionary. It's optional. I'm going to do liner, lashes, lips, all that stuff, and we will chat about those details when I return. All right, this is look number 1. I think this is adorable. I think it's really cute, but it's also dramatic. I love the added details of adding like the big wing and my big blown out blue lower lash line. I just think I like it. I feel good in this look, and I'm going to be content wearing it at work. I like it. My eye pencil is Azure from NYX. My lashes, I went with the Alter Ego pair again that I showed you in my Get Ready With Me recently. It's Amour from Alter Ego. And on my lips, I went with Cherish from Sugar Pill. I really like this overall look. I think it's cute. It was fairly easy to do, with the exception of the wing. Oh, by the way, the liner was fine. Like, I like how black it is. I wouldn't say it's 100% matte. It has a little bit of a shine to it. I don't know if you can tell. It does a little bit of tugging, especially when I'm going this direction. I definitely had to do most of my motions going downwards. But, I mean, I got here. It's not, like, bad. It's okay. It didn't bleed anywhere, which is cool, because sometimes with liners, once I get to the inner corner, it'll feather out and bleed everywhere, and it's a mess. But it's fine. I don't hate it, but I don't, like, necessarily love it either. I'm pretty neutral about it. Anyways, this was look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. I'm so frustrated with technology right now. Okay, hey guys. Before we get into look number 2, let's preface a little bit. So I went to film this yesterday, and I didn't love how it came out in the end because my lash band, when I went to line over my lashes, got way too thick. And I used the small Alter Ego ones again, and I didn't think it looked horrible, but I went to edit it last night and it looked pretty bad. So I decided to refilm it today, and I freaking love it. I think it's absolutely stunning, but my microphone was turned off. So there's no sound for any of that. Oh man, so what I'm gonna do is it's going to be voiceover style, but it's gonna have me also talking, but without words. I know that's awful and so not professional, but I'm about at my wit's end with this damn camera right now. Even though it's not its fault, it's clearly a me problem, but it's 2 days before my wedding. I didn't even want to film today, but I did anyways. I do not have time to film this look again, and I do not want to film this look for a third time. So, please excuse the fact that look number 2 is in voiceover style. You're welcome to just skip look number 2. I basically just used this in my inner and outer corner, blended it out with this. This is my transition-y shade. This is my inner corner shade, and I used the shade Rune from Cleona on my lid, in case you want to skip it. But yeah, I'm so frustrated. But I hope you enjoy look number 2 anyways. Let's hop into it. Alrighty, hello. So basically I'm just taking Bungalow, that mintier light green shade, and buffing it through my crease. I'm going to be swirling it underneath my lower lash line and just overall using this as my transition shade to help the darker shades blend out. I wanted something kind of grungy, almost a halo, but not like a super structured halo, just like a grungy halo, you know? And now I'm taking that darkest shade, Shack, and I'm just using a pencil brush. It's an Pixie E03. The first brush was like a random Royal and Langnickel dual-ended brush. It's just a fluffy brush. It doesn't really matter. But I'm taking this dark shade, I'm popping it in the outer and inner corner, as well as smoking it out under the lower lash line. I can't speak whether it's a voiceover or a real camera. But I'm just connecting it to the outer corner with the lower lash line. I just want a very blown out look. And now I'm taking an Anastasia dual-ended brush and I'm taking the shade Hideout. And I'm basically just using that very lightly to help buff and blend out that darker edge. I'm just kind of taking my time with this. I'm not rushing this at all. I just want a softer blend with this darker shade, but I don't want it to go overkill with the level of blending. I don't want it to be blended all the way up like past my eyebrow or anything like I do with some of my looks. I wanted this to be a little more concentrated to the actual crease. And I'm just going to go back and forth with previous brushes. No additional product at this moment though. I just want previous brushes to help blend out edges. Nothing too crazy. You kind of know the deal by now. I like to go back and forth. Going in with some NYX glitter primer on my lid and then picking up the shade Rune from Cleona like I showed earlier. It's super pretty, a really grungy antique-y gold. I'm just popping this across the center of my lid mostly and just kind of buffing it into the outer edges where the darker matte was. I just want, like I said, a non-structured kind of grungy halo eye was my vibe. I'm just kind of blending out those edges, and then I'm taking a little bit more of that shadow and popping it in the center of my lower lash line just for a little extra something. And now highlighting my inner corner with Cabana, and that's really it. Hope you enjoyed. All right, that was look number 2. Again, I am so sorry that it's so janky with the crazy voiceover. But that's just how it is sometimes. Whatever. I went with my Bold Face Makeup Thrill Seeker lashes. I have another pair that I started a fresh one. My eye pencil is Black Olive from NYX, and on my lips I went with Euphoria from Alter Ego. I love this look. I'm so bummed that my microphone wasn't on, but it's okay. It's fine. We move past it. Let's move on to the end of the video. All right, I'm back. Which look was your favorite? The look that was very well filmed and edited and audioed, or the one that was a mess? I love both looks so much. I'm seriously so bummed about this look being such a challenge to film. Clearly the universe does not want me to film this look, so you're getting it anyways. You'll have to let me know which look was your favorite though. What are you feeling about these palettes? I think they're so cute. The Encinitas one I think is super fun, and for just being 4 shades, I feel like you do have a decent bit of variety. You can do something more neutral, neutral pink, neutral blue, just pink, just blue, pinky blue. Like, you have a few options with this. Obviously it's not endless options, but it's still very cute, and I really liked how they all performed. That palette is all mattes. They all blended nicely. They had good pigmentation, but not so overly pigmented where it was hard to blend out. They built up nicely, grammar, and I had fun with it. The Malibu quad is also adorable. 3 mattes, 1 shimmer. The mattes all perform the same as well. Super easy to work with. I loved playing with these swampy greens. The shimmer is pretty, but I do wish it was a little more impactful, but it's not bad. Like, it looks fine. I just, you know me, I like a very impactful shimmer. But this was a lot of fun. I really love these swampy tones. I really like this pop of mint green in here. I feel like it adds just something a little bit more interesting to just like typical swampy greens. I don't know. I quite enjoyed these and I'm dropping them. What do you guys think though? Are these something you're interested in? Did you pick them up? what are your thoughts on them? I do want to do a palette bingo with these two and my Tokyo Harajuku back there sometime soon, so stay tuned for that. I think that'll be fun. It'll be quite the combination of colors, I'm sure. If you made it to the end, why don't you leave me a surf or like beach related emoji? I think that'd be cool. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.